What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Compliments of the season, and also Happy New Year wherever you are, any part of the world. I hope you guys had an amazing holidays. I know I did. And you know what's crazy? I didn't really expect to have like a dirty December, like people say, because my holiday started off really boring, and that was really what I was going for. It was the Christmas break, so there was lots to eat and drink, and that was really what I wanted. But towards the end, like the 29th, 30, 31st, I had like a little, I'm not sure I could call it a vacation because we didn't really travel anywhere, but like a staycation. We went out and we had fun for like 3 days. Went to the beach, saw different places, and it was really fun, even though I didn't really expect to have had fun during this holiday. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys did a lot of spend time with your family and did a lot of things that you guys wanted to do. And I also have, it's also great because I'm starting this year on a very high note. If you remember last year, my account was down almost 6%, but towards the end of the year, I was able to bring, the last video I made, I told you guys I took 2 large trades for the year, which were GBP JPY and GBP AUD. GBP AUD ended up hitting break even, while GBP JPY ended up hitting my take profits. So I ended up the year with plus $63 positive. Okay, and it's crazy. I know that might not sound like much, but I was down, imagine I was down almost 6%, and I ended up with positive $63, which was really nice. So I'm starting this year off with a positive balance, and that I'm really excited to kick off this year. And I've also taken my first trade of the year, and all those and more you see. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I think I already spoke about GBP JPY and GBP AUD, but let me just show you guys the trades in its entirety. GBP AUD, you remember, it was in an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I had an entry here, stop loss below, target above. The market gave me like a 1 to 2.7, like it was just like a less than 20 pips to my stop loss, like 15 pips to my stop loss, and it completely reversed and took me out at break even. It's kind of stung a little bit, but I understand this is part of the process. It's not in my plan to close my trade. In my plan, I go for at least a minimum of 1 to 3, and if it doesn't, I just let the trade come back to hit my break even. So the most important thing was that I followed my plan and I let it play out. Then GBP JPY, I'm not going to run through it because I don't want this video to get too long. Okay, GBP JPY was my second trade. This trade went ahead to hit my full take profit, and it's crazy because he hit my full take profit, and shortly after he came all the way back down. I explained this trade as well. The market was in an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I picked an entry over here, stop loss below, target at a 1 to 3, at 1 to 3. I could have tried to target this extreme high here, or a 1 to 4, and I've seen that the market would have reversed before hitting my full TP. But the market came, tagged me out on TP here, and reversed all the way to the downside. So I'm happy with my take profit. I'm happy with the trade, and also I'm now positive on my account. And like I told you guys, I've taken my first trade of the year, and that was a trade on NZD-USD. Let me break that down quickly before we go into our weekly outlook for this coming week. NZD-USD. You can see this trade is this market is currently bearish. You can see, let me try to use some drawing tools. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this could be a potential lower high to form a lower low following the structure. Okay, so the market broke this previous level of support and came back to retest it. I go over to the 1 hour time frame where I picked my entry. You can see the market gave us this double top formation over here, bearish engulfing. I entered here, stop loss below, target above. The market is currently back. The market had moved almost a 1 to 2, but the market is currently back at my entry level. So this coming week we'll see if the market could reject off of this level again to the downside, or the market could go up and take me out and stop loss, which I'll still be fine with as long as I followed the plan. I followed the trend. I waited for all my confirmations and I got everything here before taking the trade. I just let the market do its thing right now. So next pair on my list, GBP AUD. I'm currently bearish on GBP AUD. I'm bearish on GBP AUD because the market has hit a strong monthly level of resistance and has given us this strong bearish engulfing on the weekly time frame. And we go over to the monthly time frame as well. You see that the market is rejecting off of this strong level of monthly resistance. In the daily time frame, you can see that the market has given us this clear double top and has broken the neckline. So if you can have a retest of this level, I'll be looking for shorts in this area to take this market to the downside. Next pair on my list is Euro JPY. I'm also bearish on Euro JPY. Similar story, the market has hit this strong level of previous resistance 1, twice, over here support 3, 4, 5 times. The market spiked below and came here, and the market has approached this level and has closed with this strong bearish engulfing on the weekly time frame. Okay, the market tried to break above but couldn't sustain above, and the sellers were able to push the market back down. So this week I'm going to be waiting for, let's go back to the 4 hour time frame so you can see the structure clearly. You can see over here the market has made this left head, right shoulder. So I'm going to just be anticipating the market to pull back into the neckline, retest and reject over here. Then we'll be looking for shorts to the downside. So I'm bearish on Euro JPY. Next pair on my list is GBP USD, and you can see this is pretty straightforward. I don't need to go different time frames. You can clearly see on the daily time frame this market is bearish and has been bearish for a while. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I'm anticipating the market will pull back into this level over here, which I've marked up. We test and reject this level. We're looking for bearish confirmations in this level to continue the market to the downside. Euro USD. I'm also bearish on Euro USD, and this is also a clean one. Double top over here. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. There could be a potential lower high over here. So I'm expecting the market to pull back into this level, give us rejections. We'll be looking for shorts in this area to continue selling this market to the downside. CHF JPY. I'm actually bearish on the rest of the JPY pairs, but for some reason the structure of the CHF of the Swiss franc JPY is still bullish. You can see the market was in a bearish structure over here. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market made a high, low, higher high, and this could be a potential higher low. So for the CHF JPY, I actually want to see I'm actually anticipating this market would revisit these highs because of this daily strong level of support. But before entering this market, you need to see like a double confirmation, like a double top, something like this, before looking for buyers to the upside. I'm bullish on the CHF-JPY. Next pair on my list is the Euro NZD. I'm actually bearish on Euro NZD. If we go over to the weekly time frame, you can see why. Euro NZD has approached this strong level of weekly resistance, and the market tried to break above this level, but it could not sustain above, and it has closed back strong with a very strong bearish engulfing candle, breaking and closing back below this strong level of resistance. Okay, so on the daily time frame, you can clearly see the market was bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Over to 4 hour time frame where you can see the structure much clearly. Network is quite slow today. Just bear with me. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see the market also gave us something like this. It's not the cleanest, but still left, head, right shoulder, break of the neckline, retest. All I'm waiting for here is the market to break below this bar over here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm seeing a chart pattern over here. I'm waiting for the market to break and close below this blue bar over here. I'll be looking for shorts under here, stops above, targets below. So I'm bearish on Euro NZD. Next pair on my list is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. I'm actually bullish on Euro AUD, but this is one pair I need to see a double confirmation for. The market has been moving low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. The market is back at this previous level of resistance. So on the 4 hour time frame, what I want to see, I don't want to see just this one leg. I want to see that the market revisit this level again, something like this, for looking for buys. Because of the strong bearish momentum the market came to this support level with, so I'm anticipating like a chart pattern before a move to the upside. Next pair on my list is GBP card. I'm actually bearish on GBP card. I'm bearish on GBP card. You see clearly off this 4 hour time frame, the strong level of left, head, and right shoulder. The market has broken below the neckline. It's currently retesting, so I'm looking for bearish confirmations to the downside. If you go back to the higher time frame, you can see this strong level of weekly resistance, how the market is rejecting off of this level strongly. But off of this 4 hour time frame, you can see this strong level, this strong chart pattern, the breakout, the retest. So we're just going to be waiting for confirmations in this zone over here to look for shorts to the downside. Next pair on my list is NZD-CHF. I'm bearish on NZD-CHF. I don't quite think it's ready to drop, because it could be though. This market has been bearish, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. But the market has approached this level with the bullish structure, high, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. And this is like a double top. There's a strong bearish rejection. But on the 1 hour time frame, I want to see, I can see this break, but I wouldn't mind seeing like another retest of this top here, or a small consolidation, then a break below before I get involved with this trade. I'm bearish on the NZD-CHF though. Next pair on my list, USD-CHF. This video is not going to be a long one. I'm just going to try to go over these pairs like so you guys will get an idea of where my head is at while going to the week. USD CHF, I'm bullish on USD CHF. Without me even going through other time frames, you can clearly see the market has been bullish. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low, higher high, higher low, higher high, potential higher low for a higher high. So I'm bullish on USD CHF. The market has broken above this strong level of resistance. Now I'm expecting the market pull back into this level. Look for bullish confirmations here to continue the trend to the upside. Next pair on my list is USD CAD. I'm also bullish on USD CAD. The market has tried to close above this level, but I still need a convincing break above, retest, then look for rejections, continue this market to the upside. I'm bullish on USD CAD. The market is in a strong bullish trend. It has been in this consolidation for quite since the 24th of November, which is understandable because of the holiday. So this coming week now I'm expecting a bigger breakout, retest, rejection for looking for buys to the upside. Next pair on my list, Euro CAD. I'm also bearish on the Euro CAD. Let's go back to the higher time frames. You can see this market has, let's go back to the weekly time frame so I can try to break this one down properly. This market was consolidating over here, broke below, rejected, came back here. You can see this strong bearish engulfing candle that engulfed 1 to 3 weeks of price action in just one bearish candle. So the daily time frame, you go over, you see that the market was trying to make bullish structure, low high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. The market has broken down, giving us a lower low and back at the previous level of support that could turn to resistance to push the market to the downside. So I'm bearish on Euro CAD. Gold. I'm bullish on gold. I've been bullish on gold for a while, although the market, from this sort of double top over here, broke, retested, and I was looking for sales over here. But if you look over to the, if you go over to the weekly time frame, where you can truly understand like the messy price action that gold has been doing, you can see this level of support. The market has been giving us fake outs over here. One here, the market pushed up, came close below, came back strongly above, came here again, played around this level, make a big spike to the downside, close inside this level. So right now the market is failing to break and sustain below this level. So it means that there are buyers here that are willing to buy at these prices. So the buyers could potentially take this market back to the upside. So if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, the market has come here off the weekly and rejected, giving us this sort of morning star formation. But if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the market was bearish, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But the market came here, low, high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, around equal lows. Now you're putting a higher high. The market should reject over off this level. We could look for buys back up to this point here on gold. So I'm currently bullish on gold because of the strong weekly rejection off of this level, and also because the market has shifted from a bearish structure back to a bullish structure. So the market is anticipating a pullback into this level to look for longs to the upside. Now the last on the but not the least for the FX pairs, we have AUD CHF. If you're enjoying the video so far, do well to like the video, comment and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family. It helps the algorithm to show the video to more people who might be able to benefit from this video. I'm looking for buys off the AUD CHF. You can see that the market came down and approached this strong level of previous support. You go over to the weekly time frame, you see that the market have rejected here once, over here twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now the market didn't just reject this level over here this time. On the daily time frame, it made this sort of double top, broke above the neckline, and is coming back to approach. Let's go back to the weekly time frame so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, here it is on the weekly time frame. The market has been rejecting this level for quite a while, once, twice, 3, 4 times, and now the market is not just rejecting, it has broken above the neckline of the double top of the daily time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see the structure has shifted from bearish to bullish. You can also see this left head, right shoulder, market broke the neckline, pull back, higher high, potential higher low to look for buyers to the upside. So I'm bullish on AUD/CHF. So let's go over to the indices to see whether there's anything interesting happening. Nothing really interesting, I must be honest. Nothing really interesting. The market is stuck between these two ranges. Before we could see anything interesting, I need to see the market either break below the strong level or break above the strong level before I can look for buys. So no real opportunity at this point in time. NAS 100 looks, I'm not really liking the indices at the moment. Although this looks like a fake out. The market approached this previous level of support and resistance, acted like he wanted to break and continue going lower, but he closed back bullishly strongly above this level. So I'm more bullish than bearish on the NAS 100. I could be anticipating a cleaner break of this level. We test and I'll be looking for buys to the upside. Next pair on my list is the SPX 500. I think it is looking similar to the NAS 100. The market is currently at a level of strong support, and the market has rejected strongly off of this level. So on the 4-hour time frame, what we're going to be doing is waiting for the market to completely clear this level over here. I think the market has broken above, but give us like a more convincing break. We test. I'm looking for buyers to the upside. I'm bullish on SPX 500. Now the last but not the least we have is the US oil. US oil, I'm bullish on US oil. However, I need to see US oil give us a significant pullback. Let's go over to the daily time frame. US oil consolidated within this range for quite a while. Since September, it consolidated. Now it has finally broken above the strong level of resistance. Now we're just going to be anticipating a pullback into this level, rejections and entry confirmations before looking for buys to the upside. Now last but not the least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been like Bitcoin moved like crazy last year. It made us like quite a significant amount of money, not just because I traded Bitcoin price per se, but also because I also hold like some Bitcoin. So I made some money while it was pumping, and I was able to take out some profits, which is really nice. However, where Bitcoin is right now is currently at a risky level, because it's currently at a strong level of resistance, previous resistance. So which means the market could come here and complete this sort of left head, right shoulder before shooting down all the way to the downside. However, what is going to be determining it is what Bitcoin does around this level over here. This point is going to determine what happens on the Bitcoin price. The market should push above this level, break above, they will be looking for buys to the upside. If the market doesn't do that, if the market gets here, rejects, we'll be looking for sales to the downside, because on the higher time frame, you can clearly see that Bitcoin is quite overextended, and this level, it has not made any real significant pullback. You can see the strong weekly bearish engulfing. I was thinking that Bitcoin was going to be pulling back a little bit deeper before pushing back to the upside. However, the fact that the market buyers are willing to buy from this level, it means that there are still buyers in this market. So we're just going to waiting over here on the 4-hour time frame for this market for a buy scenario, for the market to break above this strong level of resistance. We test, then we look for buys to the upside. For a sell scenario, we'll be looking for the opposite. Either we'll be waiting for the market to break this level of previous support, we test, then we'll look for sales to the downside, or wait for the market to take out this level, we test, then we'll look for sales to the downside. Any of the above is fine by me. We're not going to be sitting on our hands. If nothing happens, if it just keeps going sideways, we're not going to be interested. We're just going to be sitting on our hands and waiting for the market to come and tell us when it's ready to move. Come and tell me, please. Come and tell me. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your trader friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'm going to be taking my time to go through your questions and answer them one after the other. Do well to stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe, share. I'm going to be putting out lots of contents this year. So if you're willing to learn, if you're ready to learn, and it's completely for free, so just get your mind prepared. We're going to be doing a lot of breakdowns, a lot of chart analysis, so much things that we're going to enjoy from this channel completely for free. So the only thing I ask that you do is like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Bye for now.